Hey guys, it's Lexi. As you can see by the title, I'm going to be trying to do mini twist on my blow dried hair. I've never done this before, but my friend asked me a few months ago if I've done it, and I said no, but I told her I'd try, so right now I'm trying. If you watched my last mini twist tutorial, I told you guys that I did it, or I think it was my mini twist tutorial or my mini twist 101 video, but I said that I haven't tried blow drying my hair before doing mini twist. So that's what I'm doing today because I needed to trim my ends. So I trimmed my ends and now I'm going to be doing mini twist. So with that being said, I'm going to be trying to do my mini twist on my blow dried hair and compare it to my regular twist just to see what the difference is and the different outcomes, I guess. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. I think it's just going to make my twist a little longer in the beginning stages. If you've done mini twist before, you know that in the beginning your twists are like really short and they shrink, and then like during the middle stage of having them, they tend to get longer depending on the styles you're doing, but they tend to like stretch out a little more and show your length a little better. But now, since I think I'm starting with blow dried hair, I think the purpose is for it to start out longer. And I don't know, I've never done it. I don't know if I'll do it again. We'll see. I'll tell you at the end, or I won't. I don't know. But that's the goal of today's video. Don't mind how I look. I started parting the back already. I have it in like 7 or 8 parts in the back of my head, and then I did this side, and then I have to do this side and this little part right here. I started really late last night, and I was on the phone with my friend, and we were both doing our hair, and then I got tired, so then I went to sleep. But, yeah, I was trimming my ends, so I trimmed my ends over here and right here, and I need to trim my ends right here. I know the way I did it was kind of crazy, but that's besides the point. I'm going to finish sectioning off my hair, and then I will trim my ends, and I'll be back, because you guys don't need to see all that. You just want to see me do 20. You're 20? You just want to see me do mini twist on my blow dried hair. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me know if you want a tutorial on how I actually part my mini twist and like a very in-depth version, because someone I know was telling me that they wanted a more in-depth version because they were still confused on how to do it. So let me know if you would like to see that. And yeah, I'll be back once I am ready to start twisting my hair. Okay guys, so I just finished parting my hair and trimming my ends. I have 9 rows right here, 9 right here, and I think I have 13 rows in the back. So now I'm going to start the twisting process. My twists are going to be really, really tiny, like tinier than I've done in a long time, because I just really miss my mini twists, like the tiny ones, and I think I have time to do them. I don't know yet, but my hair looks a little crazy. I've never really parted it like this. Like, I've never pre-parted my twist before. I always just part as I go. So this is good. For me, parting takes the longest. So I'm happy that I already got the majority of the parting done. Now I just have to do each little section, but I just do that with my nails. That's not going to be hard. But I'm going to get the products that I'm going to use, and then I will start twisting. So the only thing about doing this, I haven't looked at a tutorial. I probably should, of someone doing their hair when it's blow dried, but I'm not sure if I'm supposed to spray my hair before, like spray the section as I go, so that the product can like get in my hair, like absorb into my hair. Sorry y'all, I look crazy. Hold on, let me pin back my hair. Okay, back to what I was saying. I'm not sure if I should spray my hair. I might do a few sections spraying it first, and then a few sections just spraying it. I mean, not spraying it and just adding the products without spraying it first. Did that make sense? Anyways, this is all just a little experiment. So I'm going to start in the front today. I usually start in the back, but I think I'm going to start in the front just to see how everything goes, and so I can see the process taking place. I'm going to use the same products I use for my regular mini twists, just so nothing changes the products won't be any factor of anything messing up. The products I usually use are the Moringa Therapy Hair Butter by Hear My Story, Blue Magic, and Donna's Recipe Sweet Potato Pie Leave-In Conditioner. And the oil that I usually put on my scalp is the Donna's Recipe Strength Oil. Okay, so I think I've gone through pretty much everything. Let's just start doing our twist. Okay, so I'm going to start by going in with water first and just spraying it a little bit. Not enough for it to like shrink completely. I'm going to start by adding the leave-in to the entire section. And then I'm going to go in with the hair butter and then the grease. I feel like my twists are going to like unravel. That's the biggest problem I think I'm going to face. Is just the twist unraveling and not being able to stay. Like I said, I just part my hair. Usually I part the front with the comb, but right now I'm going to just use my nail just because I want to. I don't know. I'm going to plait the root first as always, and then once I feel like I got a good plait, I'm going to twist the rest. Okay. Oh. Yeah. This is what I didn't want to happen. They look boneless. Like I said in my other video, they look really boneless. I don't like that. Hopefully they will fill out once I get all of the rows done. I think they will. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to add more conditioner to my ends so that they can curl a little better. With my hair being blow dried, I have to twist like all the way to the ends. Usually whenever I have my hair like wet and in its natural state, I can just twist and not go all the way to the end and just like curl the bottom. But I curled the bottom with this because the conditioner helped. Okay, it's getting there. It's getting there. I think this is gonna work. You see my hair? It's curling up already. Don't mind, I have my fan on, that's why it's like moving. Okay, I think adding more conditioner at the end of my hair helps like the twist actually form the curl at the bottom. Because if I don't do that, then my ends are just going to be straight, and I don't like that. At the end, I could, or like when I'm done twisting my hair, I could just add conditioner throughout the ends of my whole head. But I think I'm going to just add it as I go so that it's just easier for me to remember. I was about to add some water. Y'all, I'm not used to starting on blow dried hair. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long to do these because I'm excited to see the end result. I want to hurry up and be at the end. But you guys will see the end result before I will because you're obviously watching that video. So far, I'm getting the same or just very similar results that I would if I just did it without blow drying my hair first. I will say the twists are much longer and like stretched out than they would be if I started with my natural state. But I feel like they'll shrink some more because of the conditioner, and I'm not mad about it. That's the thing. I feel like a lot of people do the blow drying first because they don't want the shrinkage. Like I said earlier, they don't want the shrinkage in the beginning states of like having your twist. But I don't mind it because it just makes my hair look so much fuller than it would be if I blow dried it. But as you can tell, we're testing out the blow drying mini twists today. Yeah, they look so tiny. I don't know. Can you see this? They're really tiny. But it's okay. It's not like the worst thing. I'm glad I have a lot of rows. They probably wouldn't be this tiny if I did bigger sections, but like I already said, I kind of wanted really tiny twists because I haven't had them in so long and I really wanted them. I already know these are not going to be fun to take out. They're so tiny. But it's okay. Maybe. Yeah. They're very boneless. It's okay though. I'm gonna finish the rest of my hair and then I'll chat and tell you how I feel. Hopefully it fills out a little bit more, like it'll get fuller once I do the rest of the rows. But if not, it is what it is. I'm already here. All I have to do is like spray my hair and it'll fill out because it'll shrink and all that good stuff. But I will be back once I get a little bit further along in the twisting process. Okay, so I'm done with my hair. This is the next day. It took me like 16 hours to do these twists. I'm not blaming it on the blow drying process because, well, I'm going to add that time in there too, but it's really tiny twists, like really, really tiny twists. These are like close to micro twists. And part of that is because I blow dried my hair, so the twists are really tiny, but that's besides the point. It's time for the reveal, but before I reveal, I'm going to tell you how long it took. 16 hours to twist my hair, like the twisting, all that stuff. It took probably 2 hours to blow dry my hair. It took about a long time to part my hair, but the way I parted my hair as I was trimming my ends, which was after I blow dry my hair. So I don't even know. I'm just going to say it was about 20 hours of me doing this style, starting from blow drying all the way till I'm done with my hair. Let's just say it's been a long 2 days, but I'm done and I'm going to show you guys the results. I like the results. We'll talk about it once I take my bonnet off, okay? Anticipation. I'm sorry. Ready? Y'all, it looks so good. It looks really good, but it took a long time. Will I do it again? We'll talk about that later. But I'm going to show you my hair. I'm going to turn around, show you the back and all that stuff. And then we'll talk a little bit more about the process and how I feel and all that good stuff. Okay, so now it's time for the debrief session where we're gonna just chat about the process and yeah. So starting off, I had to blow dry my hair, which took, I would say, about 2 hours. Yeah, and then I had to trim my ends, which I'm not even gonna factor into the process because I won't do that every time. But I feel like I like the results, right? But I feel like I could get these results if I didn't blow dry my hair by doing the twist and then just stretching them with like hair ties or something when I go to sleep. That's just my thoughts. But the results are beautiful. I do like the results. I just wish I like volume with my twists. Like if you see my twists, I like lots of volume, lots of juicy curls. And these, as I've said before, are like boneless. And the only reason the ends are curled is because I put more conditioner at the end so that they can do a little, you know. But I like it. Like, I can't complain. I like it, but I just know I probably won't do it again unless it's for a video or I blow dry my hair and trim my ends again and I'm just in the groove for some twist. I feel like I might do the parting again. I decided to go ahead and just part all of my hair, and then like the next day I decided to twist my hair. So I did rows. I had 13 rows in the back, I believe, and then 9 and 9. So I think I'll do that again because it took off some of the time that I would have been doing during the twisting process, if that makes sense. Like, I did it in sections. I did the blow drying, and then I did the parting, and then I did the twisting. And I usually just do twisting and parting at the same time, if that makes sense. Sorry for the hands. I want you guys to guess down below how many twists I have. I'm going to count them, and then if you get it right down below, I'll let you know. But I might put a range on the screen or in the comments because it's probably like, I'll put a big range. I won't make it too easy, but I want to give you guys a chance to guess how many twists I have. I have no idea. I don't even know what to guess. It's a lot, but I'll give you guys a little number range for you to guess between. My regular twists usually don't take this long. Once again, I usually don't do them this tiny, so I kind of have to factor that in as well. If I did bigger twist, I feel like my hair would unravel a little bit, but that's just me guessing. So I might have to do this again without tiny twist, but that's a problem for another day. Overall, I give this hairstyle a 9 out of 10. I give the process a 6 out of 10. Just because it took so long because of the added blow drying process. Overall, like, hairstyle mixed with the process, 7 out of 10. Some people might disagree with that, but that's just me. I usually spend a lot of time on my hairstyles anyways, but adding the blow drying process doesn't really help me that much. And I don't mind my mini twists being shorter. And so I feel like blow drying, it helps those who like their twists like stretched out, elongated, all that stuff. And I don't really mind that because I know further along on the twisting, like, if you want your twist to be stretched out like right off the back, try this hairstyle out. Try blow drying it first. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if you do this, like if you blow dry your hair before you do your twist every time. I know my friend, she does, and her twists always come out beautiful. But this is my first time doing it like this, and I can't say I never will do it again, but I just know if it's not for a video, I probably won't do it again just because the process seemed a bit unnecessary. But that's just my thoughts. I know you guys have beautiful hair and you probably do it this way or you do it the other way, and I know it comes out beautiful either way. But I just want to hear your thoughts down below. How many twists do you think I have? And do you do this process or do you skip the blow drying and just go straight into twisting like I usually do? I would love to hear your thoughts down below, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I want to do more videos with me talking like this. Since I have a mic now, it's going to be easier for me to communicate with you guys. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I really want to get back on my YouTube grind. If you don't know, I've been doing YouTube for so long, doing hair videos for so long. They're just in the privates, the archives, the my eyes only, because they're real bad. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know once again what kind of videos you want to see. Get active in the comments. I want to talk to you guys in the comments because it's fun. And why not? Go follow my Instagram if you haven't already. It will be on the screen and it will be down below as always. And I'm more active on there, that's for sure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. These are really like micro twists.